If you want to sell your house fast in Fort Pierce without hassle or fees, our simple equity protection program can help. Unlike selling through a real estate agent, our professional team handles everything. We're real estate investors, not agents. We'll buy your house for cash or provide worry-free options to sell your house on your time frame with no stressful negotiations. This is the ideal way to sell your house fast in Fort Pierce, avoiding the traditional hassle and delays. The process is fast and easy. Sell your property as is without the need for costly repairs. We pay all closing costs, realtor commissions, and other fees. We even handle tenant coordination. No need to deal with title companies, closing attorneys, real estate agents, or contractors. Selling your house in Fort Pierce for cash has never been simpler. Our process: understand your needs, agree on a price, complete a purchase agreement, find and screen buyers, handle inspections and appraisals, complete a buyer substitution agreement. You get 100% of the agreed price at closing, no hidden fees. After closing, we handle any repairs for the buyer. It's truly hands-off and worry-free for you. Call today for your no-obligation offer and experience the easiest way to sell your house in Fort Pierce for cash, hassle-free.